Hi everyone, it's Mitchell Ram with the Ram Real Estate Group at Coldwell Banker Realty, and today I'm in Woodland Vistas, which is in Columbia Township, right down the hill from Kenwood, close to all amenities and conveniences with easy highway access. Now, Woodland Vistas does consist of landominiums, which is low to no maintenance for that new home buyer. One particular thing I like about this new home is it is 5 years left on a tax abatement, which is substantial savings to you, the consumer. We are across the street from new construction, which are going to be new properties similar to the current, but at a substantially higher price. Let's go check out the inside. Welcome inside our property here at Woodland Vistas. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full and 1 half bath, about 2,100 square feet. It's great for first floor living. We do have a finished lower level and also a loft space. Our property at Woodland Vistas here has a lot of highlights, but I only want to touch on a few today. The first being this modern, updated kitchen. High-end appliances, high-end cabinets, quartz countertops, an open concept to our living room, which leads us to nice vista views. Our next highlight is our owner suite. Now this is on the first floor. We have double closet space. One of my favorite features of this suite is our bathroom. The best part about this owner suite is our incredible views of the rolling hills of the Queen City. Our lower level does have a full bath, our laundry, a 3-car garage, a bedroom, but also a space that I really enjoy, which is a flex room. Great for entertaining, hanging out, and a lot of other possibilities. And it does walk out to a covered patio. You will not want to miss out on the vista views here at Woodland Vistas. For more information or to schedule a showing, please contact me, Mitchell Ram, at 513-703-7774.